like this, talk like this, look like this, you could never. Bad red bone from the south, round hitting licks with a yellow. Bitch so bad when I walk past, niggas sing my name a cappella.
Hey loves, and as you can see by the title below, this is going to be an unboxing of the new iPhone 12. They just launched today. You guys know, as far as the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it's available for pre-order in November. I'll have the dates down below. The only phones that was available for pre-order were the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12. They launched today. Today is Friday. I will be putting this video up today. And the iPhone 12 mini will also be available in November as well. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I will not be showing my face because y'all just seen my cute little juicy self in the intro. And this is an unboxing. So you guys can see I did end up getting the new blue color. I just felt like all the other colors have been out before, and this one is more of the new trending one, and I was just anxious to see how it looks in person. I actually saw it in person, and I did go into Best Buy looking for the new magnet, but they didn't have any in stock. So I did pre-order two, so I will most likely show the magnet and all of that in the iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing, because you guys know I'm definitely going to get two of the Pro Maxes. But yes, I did end up getting the blue one, and like I said, I will show the magnet in the other videos, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys subscribe. I just feel like this blue is the perfect blue. It's not too bright, it's not too dark. So before I unbox this device, I want to show you guys how the box looks. Of course, if you are iPhone users, you can definitely tell the size difference. Super small. It's actually tiny. It's very, very lightweight. So this is the 11 Pro Max box. Black on the sides. And this is how it came packaged, of course. Like so. It has the color at the bottom. This is the size comparison in the 11 Pro Max box and the comparison in just the regular iPhone 12. As you can see on the side, this doesn't come off like a blue color to me. I'm not sure if it's picking up on camera. On the box, you can see the blue Apple logo. Just like right here, you can see that this is like the olive green, minty green, whatever color you want to call it. To me, it doesn't even come off like a real true green. Sometimes it actually looks space gray in the lighting, but you guys do know I have another 11 Pro Max, but I just wanted to do the size comparison. They definitely downsized the size of the box. Normally when you got your iPhone, it came packaged with this around it. Also with the design by Apple in California with all of the paperwork in the inside. This is everything that will come in it, the SIM card, all that stuff. This is how it will come with the old one. The Apple stickers, all that good jazz. This is like the signature Apple stickers that come with it. And this is what you would get usually, the SIM card injector for your phone and all of this. It's not much, but this is what used to come in the old packaging. And of course, what's missing in the 11, you're not getting the headphone jack, and you're not getting all the other stuff that came in here. You guys know what comes with the iPhones, okay? I really do think this is a really gorgeous color. You guys know I am not a fan of colors. I usually just get like the gold or the silver one that looks almost white. You can see the blue now on the sides. You couldn't see it earlier in the lighting. This is how the front looks, the top, the bottom, and of course the side. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. This box is super, super small. Very, very light. Oh, wow. So this lighting makes the phone not look the true color. Let me go play with the light so I can get the real true color of this device. So I had to turn my ring light off so you guys can get the real true color of this device. if you're someone and you're not able to go inside of T-Mobile or AT&T Verizon to see the phones, and you just want to pre-order or go ahead, well, pre-order is over, but if you want to go ahead and just order your device, this is the true color. This is a beautiful, beautiful color. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just, all the size is actually gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and set that to the side. And then this is everything that comes in the box. This is literally everything that comes in the box. Your lightning cable and this information right here, power adapter, and the headphones are sold separately, you guys. You have to go purchase them separately. You guys can see this is super, super tiny. Just says designed by Apple in California. It has the SIM card remover, just iPhone, and one Apple sticker. So everyone who's used to the 2 Apple stickers, they have downgraded you guys to 1. So this is the front of the phone. It does not come with the plastic on it anymore. It's like a white piece of, it kind of feels almost like poster board type of paper. And then y'all look at the sides. I am loving the sides on here. This matte blue is very, very, very sexy. I love how the side looks on this device. You guys know with the 12 Pro, it has like a glossy side that's going to accumulate a lot of fingerprints. So you're definitely going to have to wear a phone case with that. But you guys, this is not going to get any fingerprints because it's matte. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is how it looks. So we're going to go ahead and just take this off. And set this device up, especially because it's supposed to be Super Retina XDR display. So we're going to go ahead and swipe up because I definitely want to see what this display is about. Sorry for my phone going off. So we're going to go ahead and just choose English, United States. If you are new to iPhone, I will go ahead and just run through this real quickly because this is an unboxing. Quick start, just bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set it up. I don't usually do that. I just set it up as a brand new device. So I'm just going to choose manually. But if you did have an iPhone, all you have to do is bring it up and it would pop up this little screen. And all you have to do is scan it. I'm going to go ahead and put in the password. A few minutes to activate your iPhone. It's already set up and everything like that. So we're just going to go ahead and walk through this and see how the phone looks, and let's just see if this display is good, honey. While we're waiting, just to tell you a few things about the iPhone. Like I said, it's supposed to have a Super Retina XDR display. It's supposed to be the best OLED display ever on an iPhone. I remember them saying the 5G is supposed to be super fast downloads and high quality streaming, but we're gonna see. It has the dual camera system with ultra wide and wide cameras. 2 times optical zoom out, 27% better low light performance, cinema grade HDR video capturing with Dolby Vision up to 30. We gonna see, okay? Continue. I'm not gonna do Face ID, set that up later. Passcode, I'll do all that later. Don't use passcode. I'm not even gonna sign in. Don't transfer. Not going to do any of that, set up later. I can honestly see that I'm loving this flat surface. It's a really flat surface. Kind of like it's beveled up on the sides a little bit. It's kind of weird. I can't really show you guys behind the camera. I'll just click continue. Not now. Set up later. Set up later. Don't share. Continue. Choose the light appearance, but of course you have the option to choose the dark appearance, zoom, standard, and welcome to iPhone. The display on the 12 looks really, really vibrant, The colors are very saturated, as you guys can see. So I have one of my 11 Pro Maxes here. This is the olive green, whatever color they want to call it. I'm going to go ahead and show you the difference in the size. If you wanted to see the size comparison, is how it looks. Of course, you have the 3 cameras on the back of the 11 Pro Max, and you have the dual camera on the 12. As far as the back, this is more of a matte finish, as you guys can see on the 11 Pro Max, which I love this matte finish because it's not going to get any fingerprints or anything like that. But you guys probably can't see, or you probably can, I'm not sure. This iPhone definitely pick up a lot of fingerprints. I'm gonna have to get a phone case because this feels more slippery on the back versus this one. The 11 Pro Max has more of a sturdier feel, even though it has like this glossy on the side. I do not like that this is glossy on the side. I would prefer more matte finish. Also, the bottom of the phones look completely different, of course, because this one is bigger, this one is smaller. They look on the front. How both of the displays look. Honestly, you guys, to me, I can't really tell a big difference. Both of them are on bright, very, very high. I don't see a really big difference, and this is coming from someone who actually paid for the iPhone, not someone who Apple sends phones to for review purposes. I really can't tell the difference. Like, I'm not seeing a really, really big difference. Now, if you are someone and you have an older phone, maybe a 4, 5, 6, 7, or even an 8, this will definitely be an upgrade for you, the 11, because it's just way better than those phones are clearly. But if you're someone and you have maybe the 11 or even the 10 or the X or XR, should you go run out and get this device? It is a beautiful phone, as you guys can see. This is a beautiful, beautiful phone. It definitely reminds me of the iPhone 4s and 5s because of the matte on the side of this device. I always said, if you're someone and you've been watching my channel for a while, every unboxing I do, I used to always say Apple needs to go back to the iPhone 4 and 5 feels of the device. I hated the slippery feel even on my 11 Pro Max, but I, sucked it up because I do like, the bigger phones and things like that. Now, one of the reasons why I'm super, super excited to get the 12 Pro Max is because of the new feel and look of that phone. I cannot wait to get it. To me, it's kind of like this, but a better version, a bigger version, and they put all the top things in the 12 Pro Max. Just one of the 5 colors. I believe it's 5 colors: the red, the white, I think it's a green one. I don't know. I'll put it across the screen somewhere just in case I don't want to get it wrong and y'all try to come for me in the comments, honey. But this is how it looks. From a scale of 1 to 10, I would probably give this phone like an 8, only because the back of the phone is you're going to catch a lot of fingerprints, and I really cannot tell the difference on the display. But like I said, if you're someone coming from an older phone, then this will definitely be an upgrade for you. The price to me is a little high. This phone was almost $900, including the tax. I think it's a little pricey simply because you don't get everything with the phone and you have to go out and purchase other items. The 12 Pro Max starts at 128 gigabytes and it's $10.99 starting price. This one is 64. I feel like they definitely should have made that one 128 starting off with the other pros, because this phone was $829. Texas tax is about $70. So out of the door, I walked out of here with this iPhone 12 for $898.46. Is this device worth almost $900? Not to me. But like I said, if you're thinking about getting a newer phone, if you're someone, it just depends, you guys. If you have a 10 XR or something like that, which phone would I go with? I'm always going to go with the bigger phones. I feel like they just put more into the bigger phones. It's a bigger screen. You can see more. It's just all, it's, I can't really explain it. It's just a better phone to me. Now, if someone may be watching this video and say, oh, ain't nothing changed, well, don't buy the phone. To each his own. Everyone don't like the same thing, so I don't expect everyone to go get this phone or get the other phone. It's your money, do what you feel. I'm just going off all of the comments and everyone asking me which phone am I getting, which phone do I like. Of course, you guys know I'm going to get 2 of the 12 Pro Maxes. So, is it a beautiful phone? Yes. Do I like the phone? Yes. Is it worth $900? No. For $900, you might as well get the 12 Pro that comes with 128 gigabyte. It comes with 3 cameras. It's a better quality phone, and pay $999 for an extra $100. And you're going to get 128 gigabyte. You're only going to get 64 with that. And that's pretty much it. I don't really care about the camera on here because I care more about the camera on the 12 Pro Max. So yeah, that's my unboxing. Leave down in the comments what color you're thinking about getting. If you're getting the iPhone 12, let me know. If you're getting any of the other new iPhones that's coming out, let me know what you guys think about the iPhone mini. They have this new color out right now. Let me know how you guys feel about that new color. I was thinking that could have been the second color choice, but leave it in the comments down below. You guys help me pick out the second color of the iPhone, and that's pretty much it. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on to be notified anytime I upload. And don't forget to follow me on Snapchat. Snapchat seen it first. Snapchat get first dibs on everything. And also my Instagram is always linked down below. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Are you keeping your phone? Let me know what phone you guys have, and I will be interacting with you guys. But overall, it's a good phone. It's just not worth the $900. Love you guys so much, and until next time, you guys, bye.
I had to hop off the porch and go get it. I went to pick up the torch and then lit it. They tried to tell me I can't, but I did it. When I pull up, bitches look like they shit it. I had to start from the motherfucking bottom.